In our last video, we covered the basics of boosting your conversion rate, turning more rides into sales, and why having a great e-hailing service is essential. Not every ride will lead to a sale, but picking the right products and setting the right prices can make very big difference. Today, we'll show you how to choose and price your items to maximize sales with these 5 key tips. Number 1, focus on high-frequency items. Sales data shows that the top 3 best sellers are water at 18%, chips and salty snacks at 16%, and gum, which offers high margins. Water is essential, especially on hot days or long rides, as passengers often need quick hydration. Chips and salty snacks are crowd pleasers, easy to eat and satisfying. Gum is a standout with high profit margins, making it a valuable addition. Stocking these top items meets immediate passenger needs and boosts your chances of making a sale on every ride. While less frequent, higher-priced items can still add value, so keep a balanced mix in your inventory. Keep an eye on sweet snacks as well. Chocolate, sugary treats, and fruity confections are among the next most popular categories, so be sure to include them when stocking your device with impulse items. These products can significantly boost your overall sales. Number 2, price sensibly with impulse buying in mind. Impulse buys often fall within the $2 to $4 range, making this ideal for products like soft drinks, gum, chocolate, and sweet snacks. Keeping prices in this sweet spot encourages quick purchases without hesitation. Avoid overpricing these items, as it can turn away potential buyers. However, certain categories, like energy drinks and gum, can tolerate slightly higher prices. Don't hesitate to experiment with pricing these items to find the optimal balance that maximizes both sales and profits. Number 3, leverage recognizable brands. When it comes to selling snacks in your car, familiarity drives sales. For example, Coca-Cola is a brand everyone knows and trusts, making it an easy choice for passengers. On the other hand, a lesser-known brand like Shasta just might not have the same pull. Recognizable brands trigger impulse purchases, helping you boost your conversion rate. Popular water brands include Dasani, Aquafina, and Smartwater, while Extra, Orbit, and Trident lead in gum sales. Salty snacks like Lay's, Doritos, and Ruffles are always in demand. You can also check your local Walmart or browse Amazon to see what sells best in your area, helping you stock familiar items that meet passenger expectations and boost sales. Number 4, use cross-selling opportunities. Some items are often bought together, increasing overall sales. Chips and salty snacks are frequently grouped with other snacks or drinks. Stocking such complementary items can boost your average order value. Number 5, be mindful of transaction fees on small purchases. Stripe fees and other transaction costs can cut into your profits, especially for low-priced items. For a $1 sale, the Stripe fee, which ensures secure payments and supports Google Pay and Apple Pay, is a flat 30 cents plus 2.9%. This means that on a $1 sale, the fee can take up to 30% of your earnings. To protect your profits, make sure to factor in these fees when setting your prices. You can also include the transaction fee for passengers by selecting this option in the app. Instead of jumping to higher markups, which can discourage impulse buying, consider offering slightly larger product formats. This helps reduce the percentage impact of transaction fees, making the higher price feel justified, as the larger product aligns with customers' expectations. Let's wrap up. These 5 practices will help boost your conversion rate, choosing the right format sizes while managing transaction fees, leveraging well-known brands, setting smart impulse prices, encouraging cross-buying, and focusing on popular product categories. In our next session, we'll dive into refining and optimizing your approach to get even better results.